Hey CAT aspirants, welcome to all new series Sunday Specials by Erudite, the best MBA preparation in Kolkata. Now a click away from you across India. In current times, students are not sure about which mode of preparation classes to opt for. In this video, we discuss the different modes and the parameters that make a good preparation class. Options available to aspirants are offline coaching class, online coaching class, blended learning, recorded programs, and self study plus mocks. Offline coaching, the advantage is the relationship built and the sense of competitiveness among students. We all are accustomed to such learning from our school days. There is relatively low level of distraction, peer-to-peer learning where face-to-face interaction can be enabled and is essential in gauging the viewpoints of how others think towards a question. But the timings are non-flexible for students. Gamification is a simulation exercise which can make learning fun. There is not much exposure to it offline, though the biggest limitation is ongoing pandemic. Let's move forward to online coaching, which is good for people who are remotely located. It provides flexibility of location and flexibility of time if recordings are available by institution. All you need is good data connectivity, you get top class faculties and even guest lecturers are easily available. Peer learning can happen online through the facility of breakout rooms. Moving forward to blended learning is the program that provides the best of both worlds. Classes are held both physically. Moving forward to blended learning provides the best of both worlds. Classes are held both physically and online. So when you have already done a few physical classes, the next time you study online, it becomes easier for you to understand teachers, plus there's the advantage of doubt solving sessions. Recorded lectures are available with you, therefore you can revise the class. More efforts are made on translating classroom experience into online, giving rise to improved peer learning than just online. Students have high level of flexibility in terms of time and location. Recorded courses can also be known as pen drive courses. It provides high time convenience and is cheaper than others with no data requirements. Students can select courses from top class trainers, but content is not flexible. Also, there is no peer learning, sense of competition, doubt solving, as well as approachability towards trainers. Last is self study with mocks. Different products are available by various brands. This product is applicable for students who study from books or are retakers. While buying mock products, it is advisable to go for experienced institutes or individuals as they understand CAT questions and pattern better. Usually, among institutes or online programs, syllabus, teacher quality, features like GDPI support are similar. The difference arises in material provided. Does this material have adequate content? For example, many programs could boast a high number of questions in their course material, but reality would be that these number of questions are only for quants, that there would be very few questions, solution, doubts from sections like LRDI or RC. Therefore, be wary of distribution of content. Online opens up more scope to coaching catering to focus needs of doubt solving, GD, PI preparation, writing ability, or even study sessions within students. Students, especially retakers, should consider coaching that provide focused motivation, as CAT is not only about your aptitude, it is also about your strategy and mindset. New videos for CAT 2021 will be coming up every Sunday and in weekdays. So subscribe to our channel.